Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix this error code in WARDOGS. It says error code 114 blah blah blah. Limited access mode restrictions are in effect. Your account does not have permissions to log in at this time. So the first thing that I'd recommend is basically checking the WARDOGS servers. Just go ahead and open up any web browser of your choice and basically just type in WARDOGS right over here, server status. And most likely the first one that should pop up is the official one right over here. As you can see, everything is all clear. Once you check that, make sure to also check the community right over here for WARDOGS and a lot of those. Sometimes there's the discussion that there's currently a maintenance. So once done, go ahead and wait until they are back online. So next is basically open up your Steam right over here and click on your profile. Confirm you're using the correct account that received the access for WARDOGS. If it is, go ahead and restart your Steam on the tray right over here. Right click on it, exit Steam, and then relaunch your Steam and launch WARDOGS again. Now, if none of those works, let's move on to the next step. Now, sometimes we don't really have any playtests on our WARDOGS, so we have to verify it. Go ahead and scroll down here on WARDOGS right over here and make sure your request has been granted right over here and not popping request access. Sometimes you just have to wait until it's gone, or sometimes they just basically remove it. So you don't really have any choice rather than that. But you can go ahead and do customer service, and what they did on my other account, they basically did give back my access for early access. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.